It's midnight on Wednesday. We're at San Francisco Airport, and we're about to fly to...
Bali.
Yeah. To do what?
To get married.
Flow. A lot of cosmic energy was building over the past few months. And the universe is celebrating our wedding today. Standing here in front of you, reading my wedding vows, makes every cell in my body feel like it's going to explode with love and excitement. Every day that I wake up next to you, I'm overwhelmed with happiness that I have one more day in this dimension with you. I will always encourage you to do what you love, and I'll be cheering you on every step of the way. I don't want to waste a single day letting my ego win. My promise to you as your wife is to let my heart lead with openness instead of defensiveness, forgiveness instead of vengeance, apology instead of blame, vulnerability instead of strength, and grace instead of power.
Today is the day when we can finally be together. You are my greatest teacher, my daily inspiration. You encourage me to be the best version of myself every single day. But most importantly, you love me for who I am. You are an incredible woman. I'm so honored to be the man standing in front of you on our wedding day. You are my foundation, my rock, my cheerleader, and #1 fan. Knowing you are at peace and seeing your smile brings endless joy to my heart. Even if all our plans fail, we at least still have each other, and that's enough. I'm looking forward to growing old with you and making the best of this incredible adventure ahead.
The bond between our twin flame souls is ancient, and the language shared between them was written long before English, so it's understandable that there are truly no words to describe how we feel about each other. You and I are embers from the same fire, sand from the same dunes, and dust from the same stars.
It is unreal to me how much we have expanded since we met, and we're just getting started. I'm so grateful to have met my twin and have the opportunity to continue with you by my side through this human experience. Thank you for being you and sharing this journey with me. I love you.
I love you.